Welcome back for another short video. You've seen this already before if you watch my channel. If you haven't watched it, then you'll get to see it again. What I'm doing is I'm going to change the gear speedometer inside the crankcase. Reason being is I just re-geared. Well, not me, I had my mechanic re-gear to 48s because I got size 33 tires. And once I did the re-gearing and knocked it off again, it was literally like 10 to 12 miles off. So I gotta put the new Speedo gear. This is a 5-minute job, anybody can do it, but this is only for like the older Jeeps. This is a 97. It's a quick, easy install. You take a 3013, put it right on the nut here. Take what you're doing is you're taking the bracket off. Once you pull the bracket, take the screw out of here. It's gonna go right back in the same way you're taking it off. So when you take this bracket out, there's grooves in here. You can see on the bottom of here. Let's see if you can see it better. There's some little grooves. You want to make sure they go into the grooves that are located right there. But I'm going to have to pull this out. And also the other thing I wanted to show you was, let me see if I can see it on here. There's some, this is kind of dirty. There's some numbers on here. I'll show it to you once I take it out, but if you can see, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Oops. You can see right there. I want to say it says 28 to something. The reason I want to show you that is because when you put the new gear on, you have to line it up with what it says on there. So in other words, let me pull this out nice and slow. Oh, that always happens. The gear falls inside. It says 26 to 31 right here. So 26 to 31 was actually facing here. Now that I'm going to put a size 41, I'm going to have to go to this side here. So it's going to be this way. Let me grab the gear that fell inside. Here it is right here. You can see it's small. It's got gear oil on it. Here's the one I took out. See how small it is? Look at how big this one is. So I'm going from a size 30 to a 41 because I changed the gears. So make sure this is all clean. This is gonna go right in here. Just snaps right in. Comes with a new what do you call it? A new oh my god, the O-rings, that's what it's called. So if you want to change the old one on here, you're gonna have to find something to pull it out. Make sure you get all the dirt off here. Let me find a little hook, because it looks like it's a little wet, so I don't know if it's leaking or not. I don't want to take a chance. Oh. Let me get out from underneath the Jeep, run over here to my toolbox. And I am going to get my little hook. I have sorry about that. I was getting one of my little hooks. I gotta fix my toolbox. You see I have this little screwdriver with a hook on it. What you want to do is go in. Let me take this off. Just want to go in here, hook it, and take it out. You don't want to break it just in case. You might have to reuse it. Never know. Maybe the other one will break when you put it on. You just pull it right off. Grab a new one and just slide it right on. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. Anybody can do this. Just make sure everything's clean. Take the new gear. Make sure it clicks. Is it in here? Oh, yeah, it was in there. All right, there we go. Now you want to look for 41s. 26 to 31. 38 to 45. That's 39 to 40. Stick it in here. Snaps. What you want to do is you want to take the bracket. Let me clean it off. It's a little oily here. Don't know why, but you know me, I like to keep my stuff clean. Clean it off. Clean all this off. What you want to do is you want to put it where, see the numbers right there? You want to make sure when you put it in, you want to have this all lined up together. So you snap it in. Make sure the hooks are there. This is facing towards you. And I just want to wipe it down some more, just in case. Now that's sliding. Should be good to go. Anybody can do this. 5 minutes. Watch the video. If you go back and look at the other video that I had, the older one, it's a little bit better explanation. This is just something I wanted to do so I can post another video because I haven't posted one in a while. But I have a chart in there that tells you tire size, gear ratios, and what size you need to order. This one, the last one I ordered on eBay. This one I ordered off of Amazon. Took about a week also to get. Make sure it's in there good. And then just take your 13th ratchet here, or little wrench. Tighten it down. And that is it. And your gears are good to go. So now when I'm driving, my speedometer should be correct. No more 5-10 miles over. If there's any issues, I'll post another video or I'll put it in the comments. If you got any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a good one, and I'll see you on one of my next videos. Just 39 or 45. Should be good. And the gears come this way.